Facebook ads are getting more and more expensive and more competitive. Yes, there is a huge ROI from running Facebook ads, but that's if you have amazing copy, good images, good videos, you figured out how to target the right audience. And if you figured it all out, you should keep using Facebook ads because it'll make you an arm and a leg. But if you haven't figured it out, don't worry, because today I'm going to teach you the best alternative ad platforms that you can generate ROI from. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. That way, as I release more content like this, you'll get notified. So the first alternative I have for you is YouTube ads. Much like Facebook, YouTube offers the same kind of audience segmentation that can put you in front of the right people at the right time with the right message. You can segment by gender, age, language, topics, keywords. It works at a cost per view basis, and this can range from 10 cents to 30 cents per view, and depending what country you're targeting, it could even be less. If you're marketing products or services that have a very huge appeal, like let's say e-commerce products, this could be an amazing channel for you. Heck, even if you're selling eBooks, it can do wonders for you. Now here's a big difference between YouTube ads and Facebook ads. We found that YouTube ads are a bit more expensive than Facebook ads, usually by around 10 to 15%. But they also tend to convert better as well. So it makes up for the difference in costs. The second alternative I have for you, Instagram ads. Yes, Facebook owns Instagram, but through Facebook ads, you can specifically just target Instagram. Instagram has gone through a massive growth over the last few years, and now it has more than 1 billion monthly active users. More than half of Instagram's users visit the platform at least once per day. So it's definitely a very active user base. Not only that, if you want to expand internationally, you'll be happy to know as much as 80% of the platform's user base lives outside the United States. There's one great thing about Instagram ads that you have to know about, right? It has the same granular level of segmentation that Facebook ads offer. In other words, you can get really nitty-gritty with who you're trying to target. Because Instagram ads are so image focused and video focused, you'll have to do an amazing job at creating content that creates that visual impact. If your ad doesn't create that visual impact, it's not gonna work. Now, these are the ad formats that you can use: photo ads, video ads, carousel ads, slideshow ads, story ads. If your ads have too much text, you won't do well on Instagram. And they'll even notify you when you're uploading an ad and it has too much text. Their system knows and it tells you in advance because they want you to succeed as well. The next alternative, Pinterest ads. According to Shopify, 93% of Pinterest's 300 million active users are using Pinterest to plan their purchases. The average order value of sales coming from Pinterest is $50. That's higher than any other major social platform. Much like other platforms I'm mentioning in this video, it helps you get traffic, awareness, video awareness, engagement in your pins, and app installs. That means you can accomplish a lot for your business goals through Pinterest, especially if your content has visual appeal and you're selling e-commerce products. The next platform, Twitter ads. If you think Twitter is dead, you may want to look at the facts again. Their growth has plateaued over the recent years, but they still have over 330 million active users. And 42% of Twitter users access the app each day, sending hundreds and millions of tweets, according to Pew Research. 24% of US adults use Twitter, so it can be extremely helpful to reach your target audience. They have several different objectives that you can optimize your campaigns for on Twitter: app installs, followers, tweet engagement, promote video views, website clicks or conversions, app re-engagement, in-stream video views, right, pre-roll, and awareness. Much like Facebook, it allows you to pay for a click, for a view, and website traffic. It's a really good app platform. The next alternative, LinkedIn ads. LinkedIn has over 660 million users. The cool thing about LinkedIn is their user profile. Traditionally, it became the leading social channel for professionals and B2B marketers, and that's why we all love it. According to Octopost, 80% of all B2B social media leads are generated through LinkedIn. That's a lot. Although LinkedIn ads tend to be a bit more expensive, the customer acquisition costs for B2B and ticket value are generally higher. This is an extremely effective way for you to reach other businesses and sell your solution. If you need help scaling up your ads, Check out my ad agency, NP Digital. If you also enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell other people about it. Thank you for watching.